There's just too many people that just are landlocked. I mean, what I mean by landlocked, I mean in cities. Urban locked is probably the best term for it. You get out into the real wild, the real woods, it's some kind of a nutrient that you didn't know you needed. Our public lands, not just national parks, but all the public lands, we created this insane resource, this beautiful resource where we can go into the mountains, into the woods, and enjoy nature. And it's ours. It's all of ours. It's very unique to the United States. It's an amazing thing that we have. And I don't think people in other countries understand this. I don't think people in America even understand how unique it is. This was an incredible gift that they gave us when they set America up this way. I wish more people appreciated it. I wish more people experienced it.